Now, Katsina state authorities have officially responded to Medicine Sans Frontieres' alarming report on surging child malnutrition cases. Executive Secretary of the State Primary Healthcare Agency gave the response at a press briefing to update journalists on the state of things and what the government has been able to do most recently. Our correspondent Abdulatif Yusuf has details.
Although the state government's first formal reaction to MSF's report revealing 652 children's deaths from malnutrition between January and June this year came as a surprise to the state, it did not dispute the fact that the crisis of nutrition is on the rise. The Executive Secretary of Katsina's Primary Healthcare Development Agency also cited the state data showing a 208% increase in severe acute malnutrition cases, though he stopped short of providing alternate death figures.
We are quite aware that malnutrition is a public health problem affecting the children and sometimes even their mothers, and is one of the leading causes of morbidity and mortality in the state. And we are aware of the recent report by MSF about the high number of mortalities recorded in one of the inpatient therapeutic feeding center, which is quite alarming.
The government insists that 43 nutrition centers now operate statewide and over 4,000 health workers are deployed to address malnutrition.
Nutrition, there are issues that have to do with behavioral change, and we believe with the training of healthcare workers on issues that have to do with counseling mothers and caregivers on nutrition activities at community level will go a long way in addressing issues of malnutrition in the state.
According to UNICEF, northern Nigeria accounts for half of the country's 2.6 million severely malnourished children, with Katsina among the epicenters.
Like I've said, as a government, we have looked at this result, and we are critically going to come up with strategies to see that we alleviate and stop and reverse this trend of malnutrition. We want to acknowledge that we are going to work with all development partners.
The state urges federal and international support as the lean season peaks. Abdulatif Yusuf, TVC News, Katsina.